Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin.
And I'm Chef Bridget.
Today we are talking the Florida blueberry. What an amazing fruit this is. They're so incredible and so versatile in many, many dishes, right, Bridget?
Yes, they are full of antioxidants, tons of vitamins. They're available April and May, so make sure you're looking for the Fresh from Florida logo when you go to your grocery store. They are out there and there's tons available. Go to followfreshfromflorida.com. So many recipes. They are great in savory preparations and sweet preparations, so versatile.
That's right. Lots of great recipes on followfreshfromflorida.com, like a few that we have here in front of us. We just made this Florida blueberry breakfast casserole. This would be great for a brunch or a lunch. Can be made the day ahead. Super simple and delicious recipe. And this beautiful cake, Bridget, tell me about this.
So this is a super easy whipped cream frosting. I just cooked down some blueberries, incorporated it into some heavy cream, whipped it up, and frosted a beautiful yellow cake. There's some key lime curd in between. This is on followfreshfromflorida.com as well as this one, and we hope you go check them out.
And don't forget, we got an awesome Fresh from Florida club out there for you to sign up for. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin.
I'm Chef Bridget.
Keep cooking.